Write about eliminate or ineliminate viruses theory regarding viruses occupy a gray area between eliminate living or ineliminate non-living world because they exhibit characteristics of both. Uh, they are eliminate when outside a host and lacking the metabolic machinery independently. Uh, but ineliminate when a machinery to living host cells to replicate. Uh, this state dependent nature means uh, virus is replicate virus is virus this dependent nature means virus are considered fully alive as the dependent nature means as the dependent essential functions. uh, Placing them in a category of the entities of the nor eliminate and not accurately eliminate or nor eliminate. Uh, ineliminate characteristic outside the host cells. Host cell lacking of the cellular structure. Viruses are not cell. Viruses possess the complex cellular machinery. Such as organelles. Such as organelles and metabolic system that are fundamentals to life. Inertness when outside are living or host cells, and viruses inert particles. Viruses are inert particles. Viruses are inert particles. इसके बाद बताते हैं कैसे हैं. When outside a living or host cell to when outside they cannot carry out metabolic processes or reproduce. इसके बाद dependence. Viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. Viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. Viruses are obligate intracellular, meaning they cannot replicate in infecting into a living host cell to reproduce and utilizing its resources. Eliminate inside a host cells. And the viruses can take over a metabolic and the mechanism themselves. Key characteristic of living cells. Key characteristic reactivity. Viruses can profound of the effect on host cells. Viruses can effect on host cells. ये बताते हैं effect on host cells. Viruses can profound and which this is the process of the eliminate and world eliminates, and this process is driven by the host cells on functions. Last में क्या replication and attraction. The virus it's replicate and hijacking of the cellular processes by the replicate. चलो आंसर complete.